father founded the business, and his early partner was John Gordon, and hence the two names.
Hayward Gordon began as a distribution business, and they distributed pumps and eventually into mixers. And today we've morphed into an industrial manufacturer of pumps, centrifugal pumps and mixers.
Recently built a brand new facility designed to our needs and specifications. Everything that we need to do, we can pretty much do it in our facility.
It takes very good technical people, both on the engineering side and on the shop side as well, because you have to take those drawings that are on a piece of paper and make them into reality.
We purchased several new CNC machines that were enabling us to do more precision work in a more productive way. We could make a shaft complete, whereas in the past it would take 3 different machines and a lot longer. It means we can do a better job more productively for our customers and more quickly.
We're taking this business and doing it globally, and it's a fun journey.
We will solve whatever challenges come up after the fact, and that's just ingrained into our DNA. It's something that we make a big deal out of. My name is John Hayward, and I'd like to thank you for taking the time to learn more about our company. Let us put our over 60 years of experience to work for you.